This is Harry Bogle, Sound of Australia, the voice off the street. Badly behaved Australian sports stars. Back to Hewitt, Mundine, now Kyrgios. And the media keep showing their tantrums and not their achievements. And they'll keep doing it. Don't give them the show and maybe they'll stop doing it. And cricket, I've been watching since I was a kid. But like everyone I talk to, no one's watching Test cricket anymore. Because you guys, Warner, Smith, you're in charge of our spirit and what we're about. And I think Smith's just a weak man and got taken by it, and Warner's the leader. And if I see him kiss Phillip Hughes one more time, God knows what we'll do. But in between all that, they get let back into the team, and you won't watch Test cricket, and I won't again. You watch the Big Bash League because there's young blokes coming through with good spirit and spirit of the game. But then just today, when you're enjoying it, who's the commentator? Warner. So you can go and do all that, belittle us, forgo our trust, and 18 months later, 2 years, the media give you another shot. You see, therein lies the problem. This is Harry Bogle.